Good morning, guys. I'm here drinking some coffee. I just woke up. So I'm just have to come and tell you guys morning. Guys, me and my Peter Your Life shirt. You remember this? Yeah, so that's what happening right now. It's actually my night shirt now. So I'm just really come for start the vlog still. I'm just working on bed. Go and finish my tea, go working on bed. So hope you guys okay and stuff. So let's just do it for the vlog, yeah? Alright guys, as you guys can see, I'm having ackee and saltfish dumpling and banana. Remember in one of my previous videos I was talking about it? I got it! So like up this video guys, let me know if you like ackee and saltfish for breakfast, if you like it overall. Guys, I just woke up. People, yes, I love my eye. Okay, I love my eyes. I love to sleep. Anyways, I just get up and say, my say a woman out the road named Miss means she have crab. So I'm gonna go out there and get some crab. Guys, comment below if you like crab. Let me know if you like seafood, shrimp, and them somebody comment below. But me just don't eat. Me don't love to do a crab mukbang one day. One day me have the option for do it, but my friend Cleo, she don't eat crab. She say it's nasty. But I eat it. So me I just get ready now, go to a shop, and then I'm gonna eat the crab. So yeah.
Five hundred, 500, 500, 400, 400, 300.
Give me 200-300 or woman one.
No. This is one. And no more. We took 200 and 300 now did it. This is this one. Man. It's a deer crab and 300. Yes, you want another woman, yeah? It's a 400 and $700.
Yeah, man, give me, yeah. Separate bag here?
Yes, the long one? The thin one? 200.
When that one again?
Tomorrow. Must stay or listen.
Yeah, thank you.
How many?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so that crab there, that crab was delicious. Maybe tomorrow I buy a crab again, but that crab was awesome. People might love it. It's full of pepper. I drink the water. I eat out the egg. No, egg in there? No, I eat the doodle or whatever I want to call it in the center. I eat that. I eat the meat. I bite up the claw. I crack the claw and open it and take out the... Yeah, so right now it's time to wash my hair. Oh, update. No, I did not find my wig. I have no idea where it is. And time ago, so I'm just gonna wash my hair now and blow dry it. So let me go ahead and wash it and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. So finish wash my hair, blow dry my hair. So I don't know what I'm going to do to it now. Gonna either cut it up or I try flatten it. If I flatten it, yeah, I might flatten it. Depends on how I feel. Because I go sit down in front of the mirror and flatten my hair right now, it's crazy. So from my hair is like this right now. Let's make it stay. So that's what's up. Yes people, so I'm actually here right now. So I was actually currently editing the vlog and I noticed that I did not end the vlog as I should, and I just don't want to end it so abrupt. So I'm actually here just to end the video. So As you guys saw in the vlog, what I did, I actually bought some crab from Miss Minzy. The crab was good. So next time I'm gonna have to like buy 3 crabs and sit down and have that because I love crab. So that's actually the plan, maybe in the week or weekend or upcoming soon. So yes, guys, thank you so much for the continued love and support and all the previous videos. I do appreciate it. And yes guys, I'm actually better because you guys stayed in sure I get enough rest. I hope I stay well. Yes guys, I really do appreciate that. So I do feel much better, and so I'm trying my best to like upload as often for you guys. So I can't really give you guys like a scheduled day I will be uploaded. So ensure that you guys have on your notification so you will actually be notified whenever I upload, or I try my best to just check my channel maybe daily to see if I do upload some videos, to just catch up and keep up with me people. So I can't do confirm of the uploading schedule as yet because I'm not, what's that word, I'm not sure. So whenever I have the energy, whenever I vlog, I do vlog and upload. So I can't guarantee you guys the same day. So just be on the lookout. Ensure that you have on the notification so you guys won't miss a video. So that's all I can say right now. Or if, because I know some persons don't sign in, or if it's not their device and so forth. So just try and check my page daily to see if I do upload as well, guys. Ensure that you are following me on all social media, especially Instagram. Ensure that you're following me over there because I do ask a series of questions. Because as you know, I do have an upcoming Q&A, live update Q&A soon. So I did get some few questions. So I'm just trying to accumulate them so I can make a lengthy video. So you guys can actually ask your questions, any type of question, doesn't really matter. Because I want to try my best to answer them all. So you guys can do that. Yeah, so that's it, practically it right now people. So I'm just saying that right now as you see in this video, yes, no, I'm just trying to edit this video for you right now to upload it. For tomorrow's upload, I'm not, do I have any footage for tomorrow? No, but I might vlog. I might, so it's not a guarantee, but as mentioned, just stay tuned. Continue to show me the love and support, guys. I really do appreciate it. And just let you know, just in case you guys, want to sponsor me in any form or any way, my PayPal link is always in the description box as well, because I do use PayPal and any other transfer method. Like if you're Jamaican, I use a link, and but the main one is PayPal. So yes, I do have PayPal. I don't have Cash App as yet, but in the near future. But let me stop with the talk. I edit this video for you guys. Just want to big up on yourself, stay sweet, stay positive, catch up and keep up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And guys, in every video I'm telling you guys, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you did not leave a video before, if you did not leave a like under my video, please leave a like before you go. So bye.